Hi, I'm Drew Bermudez. I'm a freshman at Carnegie Mellon, and this is my video for my term project for 15112, Introduction to Programming. This is the main menu for the program, and the user has the options to start, learn how to play, or to quit. So I'm just going to start off with how to play. And the how to play is just a basic text menu that lets the user scroll through and read the instructions. So the objects of the game is to get rid of all of your cards, and turns are played in rounds where someone starts off the turn, and then each of the other players try to play a higher card, and then if they don't wish to play a higher card, then they can pass, and so that will repeat over each round. So it's easier to understand once you see it. So I'm going to start off. I can play one card, or I can play multiple cards. As you can see, you have to play the card of the same number, so I can't play something like 2-3. So I'll start off and I'll just play 2-2, and then the computer will make decisions based off of what I've played, and it holistically determines if it's a good decision to make. So it's considering a variety of factors, such as the amount of cards that have been played so far, and the size of the cards. So fives are small, so it's more trivial to play. So I'll continue. The computer actually runs much quicker than this, but I give a delay so that the player is allowed to see what's happening for one, and then to also call sequential, which will, if cards are in a specific order, such as 3, 4, 5, it'll make the next person be required to play either a 6 or to pass. So that's part of a strategy for the game. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead. Okay, so here we are at the end of the game. I managed to beat the computers because I'm just that talented. And we'll play the last round, and then the computers will play through the rest of the round and finish up the game. And then it'll go into a end of game screen that'll tell you who the winner is, and then it'll progress into a trading screen, which is where the richest person gives 2 of their worst cards to the poorest person gives 2 of their best to the richest person, and then the rich person, so second place, and the poor person, third place, then exchange higher and lower cards respectively. So here we are. I've won, so I'm ranked 1. Pretty self-explanatory. It highlights red, and then so as you can see, we can just make our trade, and since we're the richest person, we're probably going to want to trade our worst cards, but it's up to us which ones we want to trade, and then it'll just like flash and animate once you can make the trade, and you can add different cards or put 2 in at once, etc. So let's just make the trade, and then we'll notice that the computer gave us our cards, and our cards disappeared. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.